Hello and welcome to my channel. Do you watch TV? Do you like watching sports, entertainment, news, movies and so on? Or do you have kids who like watching cartoons and funny videos? Have you ever thought of earning money by watching TV? In today's video, I'm going to show you 3 apps that will pay you for watching TV. All you need to do is to have a TV or a smartphone and you are ready to start earning $300 per day. My name is Richard Ogun. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell button so that you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. Right now, I'm going over to my laptop to show you those 3 apps that will pay you for watching TV. I'm going to show you step by step on how to get registered and start earning $300 per day. Please watch this video to the end so that you will not miss any step. The first website we're going to look at is called tv-2.com. This website allows you to watch video and earn money. You need to have Samsung TV, LG TV, Apple iOS or Android to start earning money from this app. So you can scroll down here and see that this app is very simple and very easy to use. You just have to watch videos and start earning money from this app. You can see the news. Then when you scroll down, you see the step by step on how to do it. The first thing you need to do is to download this app. The second one, you link it to your device, to your TV set and your phone. Then you start earning money. The second website I'm going to look at is MC Money. It said earn money for receiving text messages. Get paid the real money for helping us improve worldwide communication. So this app allows you to receive text messages and get paid by doing that. By letting us send text messages to your phone, you allow us to test and improve mobile operation. So how does it work? First of all, you download this application, you install it in your phone, register your phone number. Then they will send text messages to you, and each time they send text messages to you, you receive money. It's very easy and very simple to use. The last website I'm going to look at is Cash for Minutes. Cash for Minutes allow you to listen to radio and get paid by doing so. Cash for Minutes said over £11 million paid out since 2014, and it has over 110,000 users. So Cash for Minutes is very simple and very easy to use. All you need to do is to sign up and register your phone numbers and start earning money by doing so. That's all for today's video. Please, thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and click the bell button so that you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. Thank you so much.